Welcome to our video guide on choosing the right QuickBooks subscription level for your contracting business. As a contractor, you need a reliable accounting software to help you keep track of your finances, invoices, and expenses. QuickBooks is one of the most popular accounting software, and it offers various subscription levels with different features. In this video, we'll take a quick look at the different subscription levels available, and we'll help you choose the right one for your contracting business. So, let's get started. How to choose the right QuickBooks subscription level for your contracting business, a quick and easy steps. QuickBooks Self-Employed. QuickBooks Online Simple Start. QuickBooks Online Essentials. QuickBooks Online Plus. QuickBooks Online Advanced. QuickBooks Self-Employed. QuickBooks Self-Employed Features. Schedule C, Cash Basis. 1099 Income and W-2. Separate business/personal accounts. One user and one accountant. QuickBooks Self-Employed is best suited to service providers with no accounts receivable, accounts payable, or payroll. If you just need a cash accountability tool, then Self-Employed is ideal for you. Users who require QuickBooks Self-Employed will be independent contractors who file Schedule C, such as freelancers. QuickBooks Online Simple Start. QuickBooks Online Simple Start features. Sole proprietor or single-owner corporations. Full general ledger and accounts receivable. Multiple sources of income. One user and two accountants. Simple Start is great for new businesses just starting out and those with a service-based business requiring accounts receivable, accounts payable, payroll, sales taxes and financial reporting. QuickBooks Online Essentials. QuickBooks Online Essentials features. Growing business. Manage accounts payable and accounts receivable. Recurring transactions. Time tracking. Multi-currency. 3 users and 2 accountants. Essentials is great for service-based businesses that invoice for their time and those with a service-based business requiring accounts receivable, accounts payable, payroll, sales taxes, and financial reporting. QuickBooks Online Plus. QuickBooks Online Plus features. Budgets and advanced reports. Track multiple revenue streams and or departments or locations, classes and locations. Track inventory. Track project profitability. 5 users and 2 accountants. QuickBooks Online Plus is ideal for product-based businesses with inventory that want to track and or requiring advanced reporting and profitability tracking. QuickBooks Online Advanced. QuickBooks Online Advanced features. Smart Reporting, Fathom. Unlimited accounts and classes. Advanced import and batch entry. User permissions. Dedicated manager and online training. 25 users and 2 accountants and premium care. QuickBooks Online Advanced is great for growing businesses that need more productivity and insights. The subscription includes advanced functionality, unlimited lists, and premium care. Choosing the right QuickBooks subscription level for your contracting business can be a daunting task. However, by understanding the different subscription levels and their features, you can make an informed decision. I hope this video has helped you choose the right QuickBooks subscription level for your contracting business. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more business tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.